Have you ever wondered what sugar really does to your body? Many of us hold misconceptions about this sweet substance. We often equate sugar with cavities and weight gain, but the truth is far more insidious. It's not just about tooth decay or a few extra pounds. Sugar has a far-reaching impact on our overall health. It's a silent assailant targeting your heart, liver, and even your brain. Consider this. Our bodies weren't designed to handle the sheer amount of sugar we consume today. Our ancestors consumed a fraction of the sugar we do, and they were healthier for it. Our love affair with sugar has led us down a dangerous path, one that's lined with heart disease, liver damage, and cognitive decline. Sugar is no sweet friend, it's a bitter enemy, lurking in the shadows, waiting to strike when we least expect. Surprised? Let's delve into the cold, hard facts about sugar. Did you know that the average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of sugar every day? Yes, you heard that right, 17 teaspoons. That's nearly triple the recommended daily intake. According to the American Heart Association, women should have no more than 6 teaspoons of sugar per day, while men should limit themselves to 9 teaspoons. But here's where it gets even more shocking. Most of this sugar isn't coming from the sugar bowl on your breakfast table. It's hidden in processed foods, from pasta sauces to salad dressings, even in your so-called health drinks. It's everywhere. The consequences? A host of health concerns ranging from obesity to heart disease, diabetes to tooth decay. And let's not forget the addictive nature of sugar, which can lead to a vicious cycle of cravings and consumption. These figures are alarming, aren't they? So what happens when we consume so much sugar? Here's the bitter reality. When we overindulge in sugar, our bodies pay a high price. Obesity is a significant concern. Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain, creating a cascade of health issues, including high blood pressure and heart disease. And that's not all. Consuming high amounts of sugar also increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. Our bodies struggle to maintain a healthy blood sugar level, leading to insulin resistance. Heart disease is another potential consequence. High sugar diets can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, inflammation, and high triglyceride levels, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. And then there's the impact on our brains. Over time, a high sugar diet can hasten cognitive decline. Studies have shown a correlation between sugar and memory loss, decreased attention span, and reduced cognitive function. Those are some bitter truths about the sweet substance we all love. Now that you know the effects of sugar, what can you do about it? Firstly, become a detective of your own diet. Read food labels diligently, not just for the word sugar, but also for its hidden aliases like corn syrup, dextrose, and fructose. Many processed foods are notorious for high sugar content, even those marketed as healthy. Next, opt for whole foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains naturally contain less sugar and are packed with essential nutrients. They also keep you feeling satiated longer, reducing the urge for a sweet snack. Finding healthier alternatives to sugar is another effective strategy. Swap the sugar in your morning coffee with a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract. Choose dark chocolate over milk chocolate. Experiment with natural sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit. Above all, remember that change takes time. Small, steady steps towards reducing your sugar intake can lead to significant health improvements over time. Remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, reduce sugar, and live a healthier, happier life.